smart citizen. After better, easier. Modern techniques.
Good afternoon to all our participants. Good afternoon. Sir, thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Today, spokesperson Dr. Vinod Kumar, HAD professor, ex-professor HAD LENDI-EEE. Now, sir is working in SR University, Warangal. Sir, having a vast experience. Sir, we are very lucky for accepting our invitation, sir. Now I request Vandak to introduce about Vandak Madam to introduce the first.
Welcome to everyone. Today we are having very senior most person as a research person, and I am delighted to welcome you all for today's session as we have a very senior most special guest today. And kindly join me to welcome Dr. D.M. Vinod Kumar sir. He is currently working as a professor in SR University, Warangal. He obtained BE in Electrical Engineering and an MTech from Osmania University in 1979 and 81 respectively. He earned a PhD degree from IIT Kanpur in the year 1996. He joined in NIT Warangal as an assistant professor in 1981. He was the head of the department during the year 2007 to 2009. Dean Academics from 2009 to 2011. He supervised 12 PhD candidates and many number of UG and PG students. He published more than 125 papers in reputed international journals and conferences. He introduced first time the subject of AE in electrical engineering in United Arab and NIT Warangal. He introduced so many cutting-edge technologies such as data science, machine learning, and many more. He is a fellow of IIT Kolkata, life member of System Society of India. He was a DOS member of Repeat Department in Osmania University. Without further ado, please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Vinod Kumar sir.
Smart cities on the point.
Very good afternoon. I think you are attending since last Monday onwards. Therefore, just what I divided my lecture into three categories. One is briefly about smart cities, and next one regarding energy management system, that is smart grid. Next, I will talk about artificial intelligence or neural network. What is smart city actually?
What is smart city? Because the
Title of this FDP is the future energy management system of smart cities. What is smart city? Some idea, because we can interact. Because some in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana also, several cities are smart cities. Government has given special grants. Therefore, what is smart city? Okay, otherwise, first of all, I want to know in the smart city, what do you mean by smart?
Accessing every data of the system at any time from anywhere, and we can control that from anywhere.
smart means
IoT based control. Any other? automation, automation or you can say intelligent control, intelligence. Huh? Okay, the smart, intelligent. Because I can use AI, because intelligent. Isn't it? Both are same. Therefore, most of the time, smart is not that smart. Okay, generally what we use, smart is nothing but automation or intelligent. Okay, these things we call smart. So based upon this, we get having smart cities, okay, general code, and smart grid in earth engineering. Okay. Then first of all, I want to talk about what is a smart city. Smart city is nothing but okay. Okay. Smart city is nothing but you see uses digital technology. Most of the time, as in today, digital and ICT, information and communication technologies, for what? To better quality and performance. This engage more effectively and actively with its citizens. That is, based upon this digital technology and ICT, information and communication technology, we want to enhance our quality of life. Then we see the second point. Most of the time we see traffic, traffic management. Therefore, traffic, most of the time traffic haphazardly will increase. Waste management. Therefore, second point we say the smart city includes government services. The government services means suppose we go to secretariat or we go to the collector office, we will go several things. Everything should be on website. Okay, even common person will try to understand what to do and all that. Government services, transport, traffic management, energy, health, healthcare. Okay, healthcare is as of today very important, and water and waste. These are all things we want to do in the smart city. Okay, by means of this digital technology and information and communication technologies. Therefore, in this one, you see this framework of the smart cities, the object of the smart cities, that is, we want livability, that as I mentioned, we want quality of life to be increased, as well as sustainability and growth. And in this one, the green sectors will come, that I was discussing, waste management, mobility, that is your mobility means your traffic management, our electric vehicles, mobility, water management, buildings, heating and cooling, and energy. And this is what we're talking about. Of several things are there. They are concentrating on this energy. That is the role of AI. What the topic is given for the energy management in smart cities. And one more thing, the foundation for this one is that digitization, data platforms, big data, IoT, and data security and privacy. This is anything that comes under what we can do in the smart cities. And most of the time, if you see in the smart cities, government of India, which is given some funds to every state as well as every district also. In this one, for cycling also, they have a separate track. Then that means everything will go systematically. That is the objective. Then in this one, in the smart city, the digitization is a key enabler for smart cities. Everything is digital. As our payment, good old days we used to carry money. Suppose I want to purchase, I want few lakhs, we used to carry bags. No, everything is on digital payment. Therefore, digitization is a key enabler for smart cities. And one more thing is that data is the key to smart waste management. Every time you see, as I always what we call the intelligent techniques or what it will be, data-driven algorithms and model-driven algorithms. Data-driven algorithms means you want to use any AI, artificial intelligence techniques, as in neural network, fuzzy learning, or deep learning, okay, machine learning. We require the data. From the data, what we want to extract the information. Therefore, that is why people will call as a data-driven algorithms, means intelligent techniques. Model-driven algorithms means we will suppose in the some load for analysis or some other thing is there. We will model. To model what will get? Suppose transmission line is there, I can represent by means of a line. If the line is there, I cannot do anything. We require some modeling. How we can model line, transmission line? By means of pi model or 3 model. If you do pi model or Q model, then I will get some equations. Then I can solve. Then if you write a program, we require equations. Therefore, the data for this smart management, when you are using AI techniques, the data is the key. Okay. And third point, you see smart mobility. That is what we are talking, decreasing congestion, improving air quality, the cities, etc. Mobility means, as in today, it comes our electric vehicles also come. Because what for you are going for electric vehicles, as you will know? What for? To reduce the carbon emissions. Isn't it? Emission, to reduce the emissions. Okay. Therefore, in this one, in this electric vehicles, as in today, several variations are coming up. You may be knowing. That is a simple electric vehicle. Okay. Apart from this one, I've heard anything. Autonomous electric vehicles. Electric vehicle, several things are there. In Tata, several. Autonomous electric vehicles, driverless car, autonomous, no driver. When we are having a driverless cars, because in USA, as you will know, Tesla is manufactured. Therefore, what is the requirement for that one? You require your IoT things, sensors, cameras, and one more. The most important thing is that the deep learning algorithms. Simply neural network will not do. Extension of the neural network is a deep learning. Okay, that I will talk about in the later. Therefore, in that one driverless cars. Okay, therefore, okay, in India possible or not, that is different. But as a research will continue. And water solutions for smart cities. Therefore, everything, okay, just like water or gas or whatever it will comes like in India also what we are having, the gas, we need not have cylinders. Like in what is that, like water through pipelines, they will supply the gas. Therefore, like that, it was a meter, they're based upon the meter, we have to pay. Therefore, a smart buildings in smart cities. What do you mean smart building? Building, smart building means smart building. Suppose an apartment is there, for example. Suppose you take Hyderabad airport. You will recall that is a smart airport. Mostly when you are using daytime, you will not switch on all the lights. I will make use of at the time of construction itself, the solar will come. That is, need daytime and need not switch on the that type of buildings will call green buildings, sometimes we will call smart buildings, etc. Okay. And urban heating and cooling, smart energy system integration, okay, smart partnership, global city, etc. And for many years, cities have applied digital technology to solve major metropolitan challenges. Because every time that goes on, people are coming from villages or nearby villages to the cities have become more congested. Even if you see, like Visakhapatnam, evening if you see, lot of rush, traffic management, we have to wait hours together. And that too, when rain comes, then we have still life become more worse. Therefore, all these things, okay, we want to make it our quality of the life we want to increase. Therefore, everything should be systematic way. That's why we are calling as a smart city pilot projects. Then if you see the next point, however, sorry. Okay. However, the pace at which the adoption takes place is rapidly increasing, and data is the lifeblood of the smart solutions need to address and environmental challenges across energy, water, waste, and environmental smart cities. And most of the time, if you see, because every time we use our data. Suppose I want load prediction, electrical point, or let us say rain, we will prediction. Okay, whether rain will come or not. Most of the time, with respect in a scenario, it goes wrong sometimes. Then how we will do prediction? Election. Okay, election X, Y, Z. Three parties are there. Which party will win? Or prediction. What we will do actually? If you want to predict anything, it is like astrology. What is astrology? They will predict next 1 year what happens, and next 1 year what happens, and predict based on the precautions. Then similarly, suppose you take for example, load prediction is there. I want to predict. That is next. Now the time is, let us say 2:30, 3:30. What is my load? I can predict. If we want to predict what is the requirement, we require the data. Suppose sample type K, consider for example, in the random sample type K, K means let us say time is not 1 or 2:30. Next, K minus 1, K minus 2, dot, K minus 9. That is, these are previous history of the data. Then if you know, if given this one, with some software, then I get K plus 1. What is the load I can predict? Therefore, this is about the what we will do. More data. One more thing is that in this AI or intelligent techniques, more data, more accuracy. Less data, less accurate. Suppose I give 10 data sets, your accuracy suffers. 1,000 data sets, 10,000 data sets. More data, more accurate. That is a general word what I will use in this artificial intelligence. Okay, therefore, data will play a vital role. Okay, next model will be next. Modern techniques. Knowing this is just to have some understanding about the smart cities. Next, I will talk most of the time smart grids. Okay, what is the grid actually? Most of them will talk about state grid, okay, national grid, regional grid, etc. Three types: state grid, regional grid, another one is the national. What is state grid? Any state, in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, I mean, anything. So what is the grid? It is nothing but all the genetics and connected to the that is. In particular state, we have carbon state, hydro state, sometimes nuclear state, sometimes renewable states. Nuclear states, they are not, we have almost all the states we have thermal station, hydro, and energy. They are all connected to a point, okay, we will call as a grid. That is state grid. Suppose if you talk about the regional grid, generally when we talk about those things, entire India is divided into 5 regions: north, south, east, west, north, east. Then suppose you take southern region, okay, which states will come into picture? All over Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry. Then whenever it is a grid, we will call regional grid. All 5 regions, if you connect together, we will call it national grid. Okay, that I will show. And suppose if you take a state grid, any state, where is the load dispatch center? Load dispatch center or energy management system, both are same. Because the title of the FDP is also energy management. Okay, energy management systems or load dispatch center, both are same. Every capital city will have the load dispatch center. If you take Andhra Pradesh, we have Amaravati. If you take Telangana, Hyderabad. Okay, like that. Most of them they will have the load dispatch centers or energy management systems at capital cities. Then what people will do? Load dispatch center is there. It is a very, very popular word. Next will come EMS, energy management system. What people will do there? They will observe the load configuration. That means at particular generating stations or substations, they will keep certain RTUs. RTU means remote terminal unit. What you will do RTU? You will capture the data. What is the real power? What is the reactive power? What is the power factor? What is the current? What is the voltage? What is the frequency? Several data sets. Then what happens? From there, convert analog to digital. Then it will transfer maybe some communication channel, because communication also is a part of the smart grid. Without communication, we cannot. Okay. Through communication channel, it goes to the load dispatch center. The load dispatch center convert digital to analog. In the load dispatch center, energy management system, they will do several components like load flow analysis, load frequency control, power system security, economic load dispatch, several components. After doing what they will do, suppose if you take the load flow analysis at a particular bus, my voltage is 0.8. I want the one. But what actually they do is natural answer. Real-time control. So what they will do at a particular place, okay? The capacitor bank is there, they'll switch on the capacitor. To switch on the capacitor by setting it load dispatch center at capital city, like suppose you take Telangana, we're having at Hyderabad, okay? Therefore, what the mechanism they will use, they want to switch on the capacitor or switch on the breaker, remotely they can control. What are the requirements? How they will do? By means of SCADA system. What is SCADA? Huh? Supervisory control and data acquisition. Okay, it is understood. Data acquisition and acquire the data. Data is all as I mentioned, real, reactive, etc. Supervisory control is supervisory control. Supervisory control is nothing but a remote control. Just like as a generally a simple example, TV is there. You will sit 2 meters away or 3 meters away from the TV and it goes on remote control. You will change the channel and control the volume, anything. Similarly, by means of the supervisory control, anywhere in the particular state, they can switch on or switch off. Either it may be breaker, it can be capacitor or inductor. Just like as I mentioned, the regional center, several regions in state, they build the control center with respect to southern region. They are having a Bangalore. Sitting at Bangalore, we can observe what Telangana people are doing, what Andhra Pradesh, what Karnataka, what Tamil Nadu, they can control also. Okay. Therefore, in this one more thing with respect, I am talking smart city, smart grid with respect to electricity. Suppose when I use the word smart grid, okay? Under this, it comes under your power systems, power electronics, renewable sources, okay? And you can have communication, everything will come under that one umbrella, smart grid. People will work in which area you are working, means smart grid. Smart grid is a great area, everything will come under that umbrella. Therefore, we should be in particular when you are talking about demand side management, renewable sources, okay, something like this. Okay. If you see with respect to Indian power sector, briefly I will talk about Indian power sector. As on today, as on 30th April, the total installed capacity is nearly 443 gigawatts. Okay, because we are in August, May, June, July, 4 months, it may be increased, right? Because renewable sources, every day increase. Therefore, the date 30th April is 443 gigawatts. Suppose you see, as I mentioned, we can divide 5 regions: north, south, east, west, northeastern. Each region, what is the maximum demand? Okay, or installed capacities. Suppose southern region, it is 129.353 gigawatts. Giga means transfer of 9. Is it not? Most of the good old is used to megawatts. Now, as it is increased, we are talking gigawatts. Now, you see, out of the solar, okay, out of this total installed capacity 443 gigawatts, as on April 30th, renewables are 144.752 gigawatts. Out of this, wind is 46.161 gigawatts, solar 82.637 gigawatts, highest is the only solar PV. Biopower, that is biopower, waste energy, etc., 10.355, 0.591 gigawatts, and small hydro, 5 gigawatts. Therefore, small hydro, suppose you take Ganga, the Himalayas, okay, 365 days it flows. Then wherever certain pressure is there, certain height is there, and all that, they will generate few kilowatts of small power. Therefore, total throughout the country it comes around 5 gigawatts. Suppose if you take once again southern region, as I mentioned, 129.53 gigawatts, each state what I have to say, Andhra Pradesh 29.32 gigawatts, Telangana 19.519 gigawatts, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, NLC. NLC means Neyveli Lignite Corporation. It is in Tamil Nadu. That is 0.06 gigawatts. Therefore, in this one, the projection if you see, that is 21-22, which is then 425, but still 24, they are generating only 423 gigawatts. 26, 27, we are supposed to, everyone should target, isn't it? We should generate 575 gigawatts. And whenever they have these targets and all that, if most of them come with China, our installed capacity is 443 gigawatts. Then China, as at 23, their installed capacity is 2,920 gigawatts. The renewable sources, our India, we have seen 144.75 gigawatts, they renewable sources, 900 gigawatts. Therefore, how many times more? Even if you take 5, 6 times, assuming. Okay, this is only for comparison. Now, this one. Okay. In this one, the particular region, as I mentioned, entire India is divided into 5 regions: southern region, okay, western region, northern region, eastern region, northeast. If you see the southern region, several states will become southern part, will become southern region, northern state, northern region, and all that. Southern region, if you see the load factor, high load is very high, 40% is agricultural load. Most of them, the southern region, agricultural load is 40%. And one more thing is that monsoon dependent hydro. Recently, our monsoon is good, monsoon is there, you will start all hydro stations. Therefore, monsoon is season is not good, they will not start hydro because we require for agriculture several multiple. And you see the western region is here in Gujarat, etc. and all, Maharashtra, industrial load and agricultural load both are. And you see this northern region, deficient region, snow-fed, run of the river hydro, snow-fed. Most Himalayas, snow is every time snow will fall in winter season, and run of the river hydro and Ganges, which is coming out very fast at particular points, then they will generate kilowatts of power they will generate. That is a small hydro. Highly weather sensitive loads, okay, and adverse weather conditions for the states. And eastern region, if you observe, the Calcutta and all that, load is very less, high coal reserves, and wherever the pit head based load, that is wherever the coal reserves are there, they will generate. Coal mines are there, they will generate the thermal power. And you see this last one, northeastern region, okay, very low load is very less, and high hydro potential, okay, and evacuation. What do you mean evacuation problem? Load is less, generation is more. Then, if the generation is more, they can supply to some other state. But evacuation problem. Evacuation means to supply from northeast state to southern region or northern region, etc. Evacuate. Why is evacuation problem? We see here red one, chicken neck. What is chicken neck? Chicken neck means if you see the bird, chicken, the neck is very, very small. Like the area, here this area is very small between northeast and other parts of the country. That's why to transport the power from this area to northeast area to some other. This is a brief explanation with respect to Indian cylinder. Now in this one, we will have the power transfer as I was mentioning. We have the RPUs, remote terminal units. We will capture the data from the subload dispatch center. Okay, small cities subload dispatch center. Then SLDC, state load dispatch center. Then we will go to the regional load dispatch center, and last one national load dispatch center. And most of them to transfer from one point to another point, what will use? What communication channel will use? There are several communication channels are there. That is satellite communication, fiber optic communication. Is it not? Telephone is also one thing. Is it not? Where most of them to transfer the data, what is the communication we use? Satellite. Sure. We will use most of the time fiber optic communication. Why? Why not satellite? Because delay is less in the case of fiber optic communication. Because everybody will expect delay to be less. Okay? This delay is less to reach the destination. We will use fiber optic communication compared with the satellite communication. Therefore, here in this one, as I was mentioning, this regions, okay? Suppose southern region, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, we can add Telangana and Pondicherry, etc. One region. eastern region, okay, northeastern region, okay, etc. And if you see this one, that is how the typical architecture of an energy building system or load dispersal. Okay. Then in this one, I have same thing. I am explaining once again from data, some important substations and generating stations, some RPs are connected. From there, the communication link will be there. That is fiber optic communication. From there, it will go to the state control center. From there, communication channel, regional control center. From regional control center, national control center. This is the overall architecture of the energy management system or load dispersal. In the load dispersal center or EMS, energy management system, they will do some of the functions, advanced functions. That is supervisory control and data acquisition functions, SCADA, and system monitoring and alarm function, state estimation. Okay, in the power system, this is the first function because in the state estimation, this function it will act as a filter because when transferring the data one point to another point, data will be factored. When noisy data is there, we are just like in the house, when I prepare a cup of tea, I will use to remove the tea dust, I will use the filter. Therefore, with respect to data, one of the algorithm which is there, we call state estimation. I want to remove the data, okay, and online load, logarithmic load dispatch, optimal power for several functions we will do in the load dispatch centers. And here, one more thing, in with respect to Indian scenario, with respect to in 2012, there was in blackouts. Do anyone of you know blackouts took place in 2012? At that time, what happened? 2012, when we were in 5 regions, out of the 5 regions, southern region was not connected. Only north, east, west, northeast. Only 4 regions are connected. India, the southern region was not. That is why we will not see that. Therefore, in this one, what happened? Okay, that is only this 4: north, west, east, northeast. So at the time, southern was not connected. You see this, okay? This figure once again, northern region, eastern region, northeastern region, western, 4 are connected. This 4 and comes a new grid, new for north, E for east, in E, northeast, W is the west. Okay, instead of 4, we call the new grid. Connected synchronously, thus maintains same frequency. All are connected, okay? Synchronously, therefore, frequency is constant. SR, southern region, connected asynchronously. Asynchronous means synchronously, asynchronously. Asynchronous means is connected with HVDC transmission because we have the power. Therefore, southern region connected asynchronously with the new grid through HVDC. With other regions connected by means of HVDC, high voltage DC connection, but AC part of it is not connected. Therefore, when blackout took place on January 30th and 31st, both the days, okay, how many people? 700 million people were affected. It is a huge blackout with respect to Indian scenario in 2004. Then what will say when this blackout will take place, government will form the committees. Okay. Okay. Before that, I want to explain one more thing. Sir, what are the causes of blackouts? When blackout is entire, it will collapse. No power. Suppose you are having some renewable sources like PV, etc. Something is there, we can get. Otherwise, it takes. Then what are the reasons? Several reasons are there. Reasons. But one of the major reasons on the day in 2012, July 30th and 31st, the thing is that what happened is that most of the time we want to keep frequency constant. How much we can expect the frequency? With scale of constant frequency, 50 Hz. But how much we can have? Is it valid? Voltage and frequency is varied, as I said, less or minus 5%. Still, voltage is varied, less or minus 5%, now also. But because of these blackouts, if you see the frequency, we should maintain 49.5, okay, minimum 49.5. Okay, 49.5 and upper 50.2. We should maintain upper and lower. Suppose we don't maintain, there are some penalties, etc. Okay. Then how can you maintain constant frequency? I want to maintain because You would have studied in low frequency control on the subject, on the topic.
I want to keep my frequency exactly 50 hertz, let us say. What is the requirement?
What I do? The frequency depends on the real power. Real power, because every time I talk about real power, reactive power. If you understood the real power, reactive power, and loads, etc., then you can read yourself. When I talk about the real power, when real power balance is there, that is whenever we are having this total generation equal to demand plus losses. If both are matched together equal to them, I can maintain exactly. But whenever my total generation real power is greater than demand plus losses, whenever we are having good monsoon stock hydro stations, or during night time, my load is less, etc. Therefore, in the case, what happens? My generation will become more. Then what happens? My frequency of this more than. Therefore, whenever in summer, mostly in field, my generation is less than demand plus losses. When my generation is demand plus losses, then what happens? Frequency dips. Okay? Therefore, how much you can take will allow 59.5 and maximum should be 50.2. 49.5 minimum, maximum should be 50.2. This is adequate. It will not come under pressure and side percent. Therefore, in this one, suppose to maintain, suppose if my generation is less than demand plus loss, my frequency is how much you can dip? 49. Still your generation is very lesser. Then what happens? Your frequency will dip more than 49.5. Then what happens? What operators will do? What happens? That is shut down. Isn't it? We doesn't have sufficient generating. Okay? I cannot borrow. So what happens is that we have to switch off. Last resort is the shutdown. Okay. If at the time the frequency was less than 48.5, and that's also it shows. You see this black hole time versus frequency. You see at 1 o'clock the frequency was reaching nearly 48 near this red part. Therefore, complete black hole. Therefore, in this one, based upon this, what happens is that you see, northern region point of view, some of the states on 30th July, this green indicates schedule. They are supposed to cross because everything is connected to green, isn't it? And how much they have to draw? They are drawing. Red is equal to 12. This is Punjab on 30th July 2012 at 1 o'clock only if you observe, that is 13 hours. They are supposed to around some of 4,500, but they are drawing more than that. And Delhi, you see, they are supposed to have 3,000 megawatts and they are drawing less than that. Himachal Pradesh, 1 o'clock only if you observe, 13 hours, they are supposed to around some 170 megawatts. Himachal is a small state, okay, but at 1 o'clock, 13 hours, they are drawing less than that. Haryana, at 1 o'clock, the blue indicator is supposed to around some 2,400 megawatts, but they are drawing around 3,500 megawatts. And Uttar Pradesh, they are supposed to draw 2,500 megawatts, but at 13 hours, they are drawing 4,000 megawatts, more than 4,000 megawatts. And Jammu and Kashmir, they are supposed to draw around some 500 megawatts, but they are drawing more than 600 megawatts. They are drawing Jammu and Kashmir. And Rajasthan, they are supposed to draw around some 1,400 megawatts, but at 1 o'clock, if you observe, they are drawing 2,000 megawatts. And Chandigarh, okay, they are drawing liquid power. And Uttaranchal is a small state, and they are supposed to around some 270 megawatts, but they are drawing more than 600 megawatts. 600 megawatts. Then what happens? Some states are drawing more power, some states are drawing less power. Therefore, my total generation is become less than demand plus losses. Then frequency has gone down. Then at the time, some issues, no one is bothering, therefore it is. Therefore, there are some issues and all that, okay? That is the system. The first part is that weak interregional corridors due to multiple outages. Suppose this is Bina, Gwalior and Agra. Bina is one place in Rajasthan, Gwalior and Agra. It is a double circuit line. Already one circuit is out. Only one single circuit is acting. Therefore, it is overloaded. Okay. And high loading on 400 kV, Bina, Gwalior, Agra link. Okay. And one more thing is that third point, if you observe, inadequate response of state load dispatch centers to the instructions of regional load dispatch centers to reduce overdrive by northern region utilities and under trial excess. That is, what is happening? Third point is that generally I want to have 5 regions. Suppose you take the regional center, just like in our southern region, Bangalore, regional load dispatch center is there. But they will start, but they cannot start. Those powers are not there. We need all 5 regional dispatch centers. They will give oral instructions. Your load is more, okay, reduce or increase generation. But whatever this regional load dispatch centers are saying, no one is listening. Then what happens at that? Then as load is increased, generation is reduced, frequency gone, everything is collapsed. And one more thing is that you see the fourth point, since the interregional interface was very weak, tripping of 400 kV Bina line and zone 3 production of distance relay caused the NR system separate from the system. That means what we will say, there is a model we will have studied protection, okay, distance protection, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. The zone 3 relay has malfunction. That also one of the reason for the relay flags. Okay, these are some of the things. No combat. In this one, just briefly, I will talk about smart electric grid. What is the need to do for smart grid? If you see in this one, say before proceeding this smart grid, you see every household they are having electronic energy meters. Good order is they are having electromagnetic energy meters. This type of thing. Now, by installing electronic energy meters, what advantage are there? The advantage is accuracy. Okay. Other than that, and the small parts are not static. This static. Okay. Okay. One more. Three. Okay. One more. Clear. What are the limiting factors in the electromagnetic energy meter? You can overcome. But one more important advantage. You can analyze the power. The number of units. Apart from that, you can what is the maximum effect, what is the power factor. 5, 6, see, go on display. Now, what government is planning the smart grid? We want to go for smart meters. Then what advantage you get? Because you see, in education institutions, most of the time, even though electromagnetic energy will be discrete, energy meters are like educational museum, isn't it? No one, even industries, houses, no one is still 50 electromagnetic. But we have the according to the electronic energy meters. In the lab also we do phantom loading experiments and all because they are doing that. Okay, but if you go for electronic energy meters, government is planning to switch over smart meters. Then what advantage you get? In advantage is that smart meters. When we want to improve meters, just like all electromagnetic energy they remove, they want electronic. Now they want to remove all electronic meters. They want to install smart meters. You also can do electronic meters and not. You see, most of the time, if you observe, that is when they are having PV is there. Suppose institute is closed on Saturday, Sunday. There is no power is generated. Therefore, prevent the grid. Your grid will rotate opposite, isn't it? Yes, you can do. But if you install smart meter, then what advantage? That means in the smart meters, when we will use some advantage, that is the first step in the smart grid. Okay, I will come to that point. Now, before going to smart grid, okay, based upon this blackouts and some other issues, you see, drivers for the smart grid. Drivers means what is the need, what motivated us to go to the smart grid. That is increasing demand. Most of the time, when load is increasing, load generate power. Is it increase the weight?
Therefore, high aggregate technical and non-technical losses. Losses are also increasing. Technical, non-technical. Okay, non-technical, that is theft, etc. and all that. And aging assets, very old equipment. Okay, losses are low, efficiency is very small. Therefore, generators, transformers, etc. Grid to carry more power. Okay, that is every time the industries are increasing and localities, areas, apartments are coming up. Therefore, load will go down in and energy mix. You should have renewable to reduce carbon footprints and building and connection. Profitability of distribution companies, the billing. As a builder, still what we will do with the bill collector will comes and will take the bill, he will give, then only I can pay. Otherwise, still also we cannot pay. Is it not? That is the issue. And one more thing, integrate isolate technologies that is smart grid enables better energy management, better power quality, okay, etc. Therefore, in this one, the small grid, okay, in this one, as I mentioned, first point is small grid is an umbrella term that covers modernization of both transmission and distribution grids. Okay, that is, as I mentioned, under this umbrella, we can have power systems, power electronics, communication, okay, information technology, everything will come under this umbrella of small grid. And small grid, we will put different names, okay, smart electric grid, smart power grid, intelligent grid, and future grid. Just like your FDP talk, what is the FDP talk? Future. Future means it will take some time and all that. Then you have. Therefore, actually the word which is called smart grid instead of the future grid, we don't know when it happens. Okay. Therefore, we can call future grid also. Okay, you see, a smart grid is an electricity network that can intelligently integrate the actions of all users connected to it, generators, consumers, and those that do both in order to efficiently deliver sustainable, economic, and secure electricity. Intelligently, it will integrate. Let me talk. Okay, as I mentioned, the umbrella power systems, power electronics, communication, that will be two-way. Why will it be two-way communication? That means, as a middle, they are getting information from substation to consumer. That two-way communication is that from substation to consumer, consumer to as a middle, suppose I am using any ACC may have to but they don't know. MC board will go substation, they don't know. They cannot switch off. But whenever you implement two-way communication, the small grid, okay, each consumer, what is load, they can see. Everything is visible. Then I am using 10 ACs, for example, by sitting at their small grid, the load dispatch center, they can switch off all 10. But as a they cannot. Therefore, that is one of the advantage. Okay. Attributes. In this one, I am going to intelligent controllers, intelligent techniques. The advantage of the small grid is that it is self-healing. That is from our disturbance signals. The night time, okay, somewhere in forest area, like Salem and all that, some branches fell down. Then what happens? Something is happening. Then it dies because LSC people cannot go the night time to the forest. You have to wait in the morning. Then morning they will go. Then only you will get the power. But whenever you are at a small grid, self-healing, that is very intelligent. Therefore, some effect which is there, okay, which is what is that faulty line which is there, you disconnect it, all healthy line will connect together intelligently, okay, through LCD book people need not go and address our support at least some customers. Okay, that is self-healing is one of the primary aspect of the smart grid. It enables active participation by consumers in demand response. That means demand response means because most of the time you see European countries like US, advanced countries, suppose they are using peak hours, 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock or something, peak hours. If you want to consume, what are the costs?
Suppose if normally it is 5 rupees per unit, they will make it 50 rupees per unit. Why? They want to discourage people to use. But with respect to Indian Civil, we don't know what is the where is the peak and what is the power rating. If you use 9 kilowatt also, the power consumption is same, the cost is same. Therefore, and when power is in case of advanced countries during night time, what they will do? The cost will be less. Instead of 50 rupees, they will 1 rupee. Then most of the time, what they will do is that when they want to wash washing machines and all that, then night time they switch on, night the timer will be there. Therefore, some intentions are there, then people will also will do. It enables active participation by consumers in demand. We want to demand. Okay, less. Therefore, generation of demand should be satisfied. Therefore, we will encourage the different tariffs. It operates resiliently against both physical and cyber attacks. Okay, that is just like what their mobile phones. Okay, sometimes you get cyber crime. Someone will call. We will be knowing recent times. Okay, information. Something. Anyone has received? Huh? Because you see actually is there. Okay. Like similarly, our cyber crime on mobile, cyber attacks also will be there. Hacking, etc. and all that will know. And physically also. Some will do intentionally damage. Therefore, it should resist. Okay. And provides quality power. Okay. Quality means voltage should be within the limits and by frequency should be within the limits. Okay, that is quality power. And less harmonics and all that. And it accommodates all generation and storage options, including plug-in vehicles. Plug-in vehicles means renewable sources of storage means all generation, PV, etc. and all. But what is the plug-in vehicles? Huh? Plug-in vehicles. That means most of the time you would have come across vehicle to grid to vehicle. Okay, vehicle to grid means what is the vehicle to grid? Vehicle is there. Okay, suppose most of the time at airport, we have thousands of vehicles there at particular time. Suppose all they want to supply the power, okay, to the grid. If the connections are there nearby, then they will keep from their battery, the supply will go to the grid, vehicle to grid. But until your battery is reduced below certain point, what happens? Your vehicle will not start. Then what they will do is that at the time, they will keep certain margin, such that your vehicle should start. Otherwise, all vehicles are there only. Therefore, grid to vehicle will charge because the battery, as you will know, where it is acting as a source as well as the load also. That most of the time, we have doing some research. The model of battery, it is acting as a load, the different aspect, acting as a source, different system. And it enables new products, services, and markets, and it optimizes asset utilization and operating efficiency. When you are doing smart grid, or now also one you can do, bill collector need not come to the house. On your mobile phone also you can get. Then unit working, you can reduce the manpower. Okay, that's all. Everything is optimized. This there's several things are there. And stop things. Okay, this is brief introduction about what I given is the smart cities. Next, smart grid. Okay. Next important. Yeah. Now come back. The topic which is given to the role of the artificial intelligence in smart cities. The smart cities is also what we are saying. Several things are there. Is it not? What is the energy is there, waste management, water, several things are there. Okay, we talk about what is the energy management. Okay, about how we can use AI, and then how we can make it to smart cities like energy point. Then in this one, artificial intelligence is neural networks are artificial neural networks in the okay, in this artificial intelligence, you will have several things. That is, artificial intelligence, most of the time, what you're talking is that computer science will be used. This is automated programming, knowledge representation, expert system, planning, engineering, etc. And machine learning, there's some algorithms, okay, available we can make use of many brands, civil, electrical, mechanical, etc. That is this machine learning is clustering algorithm, principal components. These are some names of the algorithms. Neural networks, ADP, recurrent neural networks, okay, auto encoders, software networks, etc. And deep learning, convolutional neural network, LSTM, long short-term memory, deep reinforcement services. These are all different things. This artificial intelligence, we have artificial intelligence, and this machine learning, neural network. These are names of the algorithms. And in this one, just the same thing, artificial intelligence is broader area, next machine learning, neural network, deep learning. Deep learning is deep neural networks. Okay. In this data-driven algorithm, what we call, or intelligent algorithms, what we call. Therefore, what is the need? Okay. The need is that most of the time, suppose you say whenever you want to do automating everything. For example, I am watching TV. Most of the time, whatever I am watching TV, a serial that is there. When serial is there, my volume I kept somewhere. But after 5 minutes serial is over, advertisements will come. When advertisements will come, what happens? Sometimes the volume increases. Most of the people take a remote control will reduce. Once again, the serial stops, volume reduces. Once again, increases. Then whenever you are using this intelligent thing, controllers in the TV, that is the neurocontroller, chip is kept, then you automatically adapt to control. That is, you need not control the use of the remote control increase, decrease. And one more thing is that to go for this thing, okay, two things are required. One is the, I call training or learning, both are same. Another is the testing. To train the network, okay, it will take lot of time. Training means suppose I want to learn a new subject. Immediately, just by reading one cycle, no, it will take some time. Always learning is slow. Suppose a kid want to learn ABCDs in the one day one alphabet will learn based upon the IQ levels. The kid is 3 years or 4 years like that. Okay, some kids whose IQ levels are high, they will learn one alphabet. Average will take to learn one alphabet will take 2 days, 3 days. For some students will take 1 week. Is it not? Therefore, they learn that is to learn the alphabet. What is happening is that suppose they want to learn A, they should repeat this A several times. This is the B they want to learn, they want to repeat several times, 100 times, 1000 times. Then they will capture, oh, A, B, C, D. There is learning. Okay, this simple example. Testing means you have two things are there in the AI, training and testing. Training and training. I learn alphabets. Testing, I mean, after learning, all the students in the class either want the information. Either want to print exam is either want to say write A to Z, everyone will write. Right? If I know the A, after that B will come. Okay? Then C. But either want to write dictation. Write T, write D, write Q. Is it not? If the kid knows how the A looks like, it's captured in the brain, then and most of the time in this, whether it may be a neural network or fuzzy logic or deep learning, everything based upon the mind. As our brain. Brain and mind both are same or both are different? Brain and mind. Both are same or both are different? Brain you can able to see. But mind, you are sitting here, some people may think that when lecture will go over, I can go outside. Several things. See, I cannot able to read. Yes, sir? Physically you are sitting, brain is there, but mind is there. Therefore, we were mimicking the neural network or brain, how the brain works. For the mind, you get fuzzy logic. Suppose you are doing a problem, some mistake you will do. What teaches is because you are not using your mind. Therefore, everything. For the neural network, the role model is the brain. For the fuzzy logic, the role model is the mind. Suppose you take the role model is the brain, then what is specialty? Some specialty should be required. For example, suppose you have completed your PhD, you have taken PhD, you came to the teaching profession. And after joining a particular institution, you will go to the class.
Then first class, there is no training, isn't it? You are going to teach. Then what will you do? What will you do? I think from LKG to some MTech or PhD, I come across several teachers. Isn't it? Out of several teachers, still, okay, I can remember some teachers who are taught my 10th class, 11th class. Why? Because all teachers I cannot remember. But few teachers I can able to remember. Who those influenced. Is it not? Some way, either by teaching or by something, some yes. Then for somebody, two teacher is there. I have somebody teacher. Then whom to mimic, whom to follow a subject teacher. Then I can do it. These are role model. That is the best thing. Is it not? Then similarly, whenever you want to talk about brain, I want to take it as a role model. It should be some specialty. Okay. Then what is specialty of the brain? And before that, okay, we are using the brain in case of neural network. First thing I will ask, what is the need to use neural network? First thing is artificial intelligence neural network to use. Okay, after that, deep learning. Without neural network, I cannot do the deep learning. It's a continuity. Okay? Like machine learning or wherever training and testing is there, you use AI. Therefore, if you want to mimic my brain, okay, a brain as a in the rather use the word artificial neural network. Is it not artificial? Biological, artificial composites real. Those are the brain. Then what brain is doing? What is the specialty of the brain? I want to mimic, is it not? Or I will pose one more question: what is the need to use neural network? Suppose you are solving a problem, or by use of equation. There will be a solution. Then what is the need to go on neural network?
To solve complex problems.
You can also use some equations are there, is it not?
And that
Or some algorithms are there. Okay, whatever you are doing conventionally, before neural network is not there, also we are happy. No, you want to use neural network. Why? What is the need? I want the speed more fast. Wherever you want fastness, fast and accurate, you will go for the neural network. You don't want any fastness, let us say. Then there is no need to use neural network. There is wherever you want fastness. Okay? Based on this thing, just I will correct. You will be doing in past few months back or 1 year back, something like that. Modi want to introduce. We are talking with German people, but bullet trains they want. Yes, sir. Why you want bullet trains? Fastness. They are coming from Gujarat somewhere to Bombay, is it? Bullet trains. Therefore, once what happened, this called Japan people. They surveyed and done that. Then what Modi has done, we took these people to Varanasi. His constituency is in Varanasi. Therefore, in Varanasi is Ganga is a Kashi point. There is in Varanasi, they will do some good hardening, Ganga hardening. They will do more than half an hour. Several people will be watching, sitting in the small boats and all that. Several things. Then after that arc is over, the Japan person is asking Modi, your people are having lot of time, isn't it? They can sit down. Half an hour, maybe 1 hour to watch this Ganga Aarti and all. Is it not? Then what is the need for the bullet train? Have you got? You want fastness. Why you want fastness? I want to reduce the time. I can go to Delhi from this place. Go to by train or by flight also. Why you are going by flight? To reduce my time. Morning I will go. I will do my work. Evening I will come. Whereas you want to go by train, 24 hours it will take to reach. Once again, I am talking 24 hours. 2 days I have gone. 3 days. These are 3 days. I finished 1 day. Speed, isn't it? Therefore, the same thing. When people are having a lot of time, okay, to waste. Okay, that is Indian perception, but our perception is different. Therefore, that is a joke earlier, I don't know, somewhere I get it. Okay. Because the speed, okay, I want to. Therefore, for anything, for real-time control, we want some fastness. Whenever you want fastness, you will use neural network. When fastness is not required, there is no need. Therefore, in this one, all this as I took, because my time is very, very short. Therefore, if you see the brain as a role model, okay, then some specialty should be required. Suppose in this one, just I want to take some examples in this one. The brain will act as a pattern recognition. What do you mean pattern recognition? With respect to pattern recognition, generally I'll give you a simple example. Let us say, when I am studying some 5th class, my friend is there. He used to sit beside me. His name is Rama. He is my close friend. Okay? Therefore, I know his character, everything. But after 5th class is over, his father was transferred. He left. No connection. Or competing in waiting after under 10 years. When I went to Bangalore, I seen a person like Rama. Why? Like in the class, 60 students are there, I cannot remember all the students. Only that Rama is my close friend. When I have some interest, then only brain will capture. When it doesn't have any interest, brain will not store the pixels of the brain. Do you know what is pixel? Pixel is nothing but small elements. That is this is become pixel. Okay? So come to this point, that is interest. Sometimes and it's going outside. Okay, students or the sunshine out of some parent. While going, you bring some medicine, or while coming, you bring some banana. That fellow will listen inside the brain, but he will come back. He will not. He will forget. I brought. I forgot. When you forget, it doesn't have interest. When you write some interest, it will store the pixels of the brain. Therefore, like is my close friend Rama. I am coming to explain this what the characterization is. Rama, this is my close friend entire at 5th class. In 1 year, they are close friend. After they left, then they have entire feature is stored in the pixels of the brain. Therefore, when our 10 years when I see, it looks like a bit lot of change. Height is changed, weight is changed, color is changed. Is it? Still, if some features are there, as humidity is gone. But we doubt, is it not? I will go and ask what is the name. He says, my name is Rama. Still doubt, several Ramas are there. I will ask, 5th class, which school you have studied? Then more, is it confirm? He said, so and so, oh, is not that. Then for this episode, what we can get? Even though I say he is my close friend, and he used to sit beside me, everything is stored in my pixels after no interaction. Still, after seeing 10 years, also yes, I recognize this Ram immediately. I recognize this pattern very fast. There is no argument. Isn't it? Similarly, we say the brain will act as a filter. Brain will act as a filter. Filter means, as I mentioned, if I prepare a cup of tea, then to remove the tea dust, I will use a filter. But the brain will act as filter. I'll give a simple example with respect to how brain will act as filter. Let us say I want to go to Delhi by train. My train is night at about 12 o'clock. The train is from Vijayawada or Visakhapatnam. And most of the time we will know these are all metropolitan cities. The railway systems are like very, very busy, 8, 9, 10. Isn't it? Okay, that one, Visakhapatnam. Very busy, night time also. Then I want to stay in Delhi 10 days. Entire day I struggled a lot. Then it is 12 o'clock. I reach by 11. Then after there is announcement. What is the announcement? Train which is expected to reach at 12:30 after Delhi. Then entire day I work with hard. I want some rest. Okay. On platform somewhere I sat for some time. A lot of noise is there. Train, some noise, vendors are shouting, and some advertisements. Someone will talking among themselves. Can you stop anyone? There is no control. But in the house there is a control. Someone is sleeping, someone is watching TV. I want to sleep. They switch off the TV. They go. Someone is talking. Control. But on the railway station, it doesn't have any control. Then what happens is that I sat on chair. Okay. then immediately lot of several types of noise is there, but my body not at the time some rest. Then what happens after keeping my luggage near me? Happily I can sleep 5 to 10 minutes. Then what is happening? Lot of noise, isn't it? Vendors are shouting, someone is speaking, someone is several things are there, but still I can. Then what's that? The thing is that brain is actually a filter. Your body wants rest, is it not? Your body wants rest, therefore it is giving all the noise is removed and happily I can sleep. Therefore, most of the time, the brain as a filter, okay? The brain is actually a filter. We can use several applications in power systems, of state distribution, in easy people noise, remove the noise, etc. and all that. It will act as a filter. And one more thing, associative memory. What is an associative memory? The name associate. Associate means if I know something, I can recollect some other thing. Based on that, I can do something. For example, let me simple example. I will come to my office. I will do some work, and after that, I will log. I will go to the mechanical department. I will build some faculty. EC department, I want to build some faculty. Compensation. Then I will come. After coming back, the key is missing. I know I perfectly lock, but after coming, key is missing. Then how we can retrieve? I lock. I met. First I go to the conversation or civil department. I will go and ask whether any key is there. He says no. I will go to the next. Like that. And we can retrieve. That is, brain will also act as associative. Based on something you might have seen, and most of you might have seen the old Telugu movies. In Telugu movies, sometimes it will be the old hero or heroine, they will lose their memory. Then after take the people to somewhere, some area place like Ooty or Kodaikanal. Then after seeing something, they will get once again captured. They will get the old memory. Okay? Therefore, like that, it is like associative memory. One more thing, the scanner and brain. The scanner and brain, both are same or both are different? You see the scanner, what scanner will do? If I keep my photograph, what happens? I will get a replica of the photograph and some text is there, Telugu, Hindi, whatever. I will replica of the brain is also doing same thing. Then both are same or both are different? Scanner and brain, both are same or both are different? I want both are same or both are different. Yes, sir. Both are different. Because the scanner will do temporary, isn't it? After that, you will not. But brain, as I mentioned, my friend had gap is 10 years, still I can able to get it. That is possible when you will get some interest. Okay, that is basic difference. And one more thing, the brain is plastic organ, brain is plastic organ. In your planet, brain is plastic organ. Yes or no? Everyone will say no. But here, the plastic organ which is used, the plastic, I can shade I can mount different ways of plastic. Is it not? So this bottle is there. I can make it some other. I can make it plastic cover. Is it not? Different shapes. Therefore, here, brain is plastic cover. If you have to see, a student of class after 10th class, that is class topper, when he is going to plus 2 intermediate, it's perfect to average sometimes. Sometimes a student A is of 10th class, is average student, plus 2, that fellow may become class topper. And once sometimes you see in the newspaper, a person is a spiritual person, you will see several things. Is it not? A person is bad, he will become very, very good. What is happening all these things? What is happening? That means we are having some willpower, we can change our program. Whatever the brain, the program is there, a bad person is there. I want to become a good person, then we can. But only willpower.
The average student is there. If you are become class topper, yes, you want to read, you will 2 hours more. The student is a class topper, he is become average by, oh, you already got gold medal, then I need not. Then, oh, must be gold. Therefore, we can shape our water. It's like a blackboard. We can erase, we can write something. Like that also we can change our brain, the pattern. In this one, this some of the capabilities, several things are there. The last one I will talk about one more thing, capabilities. Sometimes I will go to a movie, okay, some next movie by movie. We'll purchase, first day it is 300 rupees, 400 rupees, we'll purchase and go. Sometimes some movies, after watching the movie, after coming out, we will get headache. Sometimes. Why do you get headache? You purchase 400 rupees ticket, purchase headache. No one will do. As you 400, you get headache. No one will do. No one will do. But why you are getting headache? Huh? But because of interest only I have watched. Huh? Is it not? Because of interest only. If some people will go morning 4 o'clock also they will go for movie. First day. Huh? Night 2 o'clock also they will go. You get headache? That means before going to movie, we expect movie like this, like this, like this. After watching movie, 3 hours, 3.5 hours, not up to his expectation. Then you will headache. Suppose you want to read novel, your interest novel, people will purchase for 500, 600. Some people will completion. Within 24 hours, I want to complete this novel. 48 hours I want. Because the interest. But same textbook is given. They will be 24 hours. After reading 10 minutes, when you headache, will go for cup of tea. Is it not? Therefore, everything is based upon that. Therefore, while you headache is, when you see, not a stress is there, automatically you will headache. You will go for cup of tea to relax. Therefore, everything is will train based upon the things you like. But we can train, we can learn anything, we can do anything. Okay, these are some of the capabilities. And before that, I want to talk about what is intelligence. Before, when children is there, all are same. But after some time, when children will become more capabilities, more intelligent, IQ levels are high. Some students, kids, IQ levels are low. What? Why? What? All are same only, isn't it? But once kid IQ levels are high, what literature says, it is based upon that there is a relationship between adaptability and intelligence. Adaptability means I can manage to go somewhere, I mean south. I will go to north also I can able to happily. My job has north India. Then still because the food habits, everything is different, is it not? When I was at IIT Kanpur for a PhD, in winter particular people used to take for lunchtime. Will come for lunch, they will. But with south people, in the morning, with summer or winter or rainy, they will take only in the morning only they will take. And food habits, isn't it? Everything is. Therefore, a person sometimes some people they're traveling in train, they will not get sleep. New places, they will not get sleep. Some people, whatever the places they have, they get sleep. Whatever the food they have, they get sleep. People are more adaptive. What literature says, they are more intelligent. Then one more thing, intelligence arises of interactions among individuals. How the person is more intelligent, how the person less intelligent, it indicates just like a simple example. Suppose in the class, 60 students are there. The class, the CR is there. What the fellow will do? The fellow will interact, all 15 students will interact. You will get information from X, Y, Z, or. Okay? There is more information input. Suppose a group of 3 students are there, then what happens? Information will pass on only among those 3 only. 3 people information you will get. Whereas this fellow is getting from all 59. There is more information, more intelligent. Okay, this is the reason. And one more thing, social behavior increases the ability of an individual to social behavior. Only I will go on reading the books, I will not interact with anyone, then will be only this particular name. But we should more social behavior increases adaptability. Okay. These are some of the things. And one more thing, you see,
discussing this point. And here, if you see, intelligence has two broad components. One is acquiring knowledge, acquiring or learning knowledge, both are same. And applying knowledge for ever-changing situation. That means you acquire knowledge, and after knowledge is acquired, suppose you have learned the program. If you go for software company, they will make use of this program in the C, C++, Python, whatever, they can make use of the knowledge. Okay. Then this is our case. And one more thing, your knowledge and wisdom. Just if you have seen, mind and brain both are different. Knowledge and wisdom both are similar, both are different. In which way they are different? Knowledge is, there is one proverb is there. The proverb says, the person is knowledge with other person's knowledge. Suppose if you know some neural puzzle if you teach, you are same equal to me or better than me also. The person can become knowledgeable with other person's knowledge. But person cannot be wise with other person's knowledge. That means wisdom is different, is it not? Suppose person is having some wisdom, same wisdom can happen. So most of the time, for example, I will see, I will tell you one small story with respect to this to distinguish wisdom and knowledge. Cat seller, you know, okay, person is selling the cats, someone or someone like me, okay, and when he's selling morning 8 o'clock bed and 1 o'clock lunchtime under the tree, he had his lunch. He is also wearing the cap because of the sun and all 45 degrees, 46 degrees. When he slept after having his lunch, he slept. On the tree, monkeys are there. All the monkeys will come, they will take all the caps. Then how we are retrieve, is it not? What he has done is that to retrieve the cap which is wearing, he kept on the ground. All the monkeys are walking, kept on the ground, therefore all the monkeys came and kept their caps on. Like that, he retrieved. On going to the house, he informed his son. Today this happened, all the monkeys took the caps. Then when he kept my cap on the floor, all the monkeys. Then when father is telling this incident to the son, is knowledge or wisdom? Father, this incident narrating his son, this incident is knowledge or wisdom? Knowledge. Suppose book something is there you are acquiring, it is only knowledge, not wisdom. Is it not? After 10 days, the father has some important work. He asked his son to go. Then once again he started 8 o'clock and lunchtime, I didn't slept. He was also getting cap. And even monkeys are there. Therefore, 8 o'clock. When he woke up, and your caps are missing. Then he recollected what his father told. The monkeys will take the cap which I am wearing, keep on the ground, all the monkeys, they will keep and retrieve. He recollected and kept his cap. Now, monkeys are smart. Isn't it? This time what happened? One monkey came, took that cap also. That is, father told you knowledge, not wisdom. Wisdom will work based on our experience. Okay, most of the time, whatever our parents will do, children should not face any difficulty. When children are not facing any difficulties, they cannot get wisdom. Based on the difficulties only, we will get wisdom. How to do? Suppose you are on track on two-wheeler, you are going clear. Police has caught. Then how to go? Some few students are intelligent, they show some stories. I know some DSP, I know something. Is it not? That is because you do this one is not wisdom. Most of the time I will say wisdom is nothing but common sense. People who have more common sense, they can do much more. For learning also new things, we request some common sense. That is wisdom. Most of the time you see our farmers, our grandparents, they doesn't have anything, not studied like our degrees, degrees and all. But they're more intelligent, more wisdom, isn't it? Sometimes they will use the land and all that they will manufacture their own some hand tools, etc. Therefore, what I want to say is that knowledge is different, wisdom is different. Whereas this neural puzzle logic, this intelligent system, people will call knowledge-based system. No one will say wisdom-based system. No one will. Where is knowledge stored? That we can see. Okay, in this major success of AI, self-driving cars. In this one,
apart from the for sensors, cameras, etc. and all that, we use these algorithms. As I mentioned, deep learning algorithms. That is why, without that, we cannot have the autonomous cars or self-driving cars or playing chess, automatic translators. Is it not? What is autonomous translators? I don't know Malayalam, but as though when I am speaking, as Vinod Kumar is speaking in Malayalam language, is it not? You are doing some movies and all that. AI is one of the things. Okay, translates. And for all these things, most of them, for the neural network, it's very simple. The mathematics which is required, everything is requires mathematics. Okay, that is the leads language. It's a simple language. There is a linear algebra neural network. But we will go for the machine learning and all that to verify some statistics. Okay, and statistics is approaches for AI. And one more thing is that machine learning is automated reasoning. It should work like human-like intelligence in case of self-reliance. Okay. And here in this one, as I mentioned, simulate human reasoning. There is a common sense. There is going to stop, when to come, like that. Okay, so most of the time, the machine learning or database or AI, several things which are there, okay, we call under computer science. And the requirements basic thing is that probability, statistics, databases are required for most of. And the requirements basic thing is that probability, statistics, databases are required for most of the time for the machine learning algorithms. Okay. In this artificial intelligence I was mentioning, it requires aliens, artificial neural networks, fuzzy learning, deep learning, that's deep neural network. And in this, as I mentioned, we have an artificial neural network, or here is in the brain, you want to do the brain, there are biological neurons. But in this one, biological neuron, one neuron cannot do anything. But this has a network, it can do wonders. In our brain, how many biological neurons are there? Billions of neurons. Billions of biology as a network. Okay. And you have studied in biology. What is that? Where I had some dendrite, nucleus, etc. Biology. But biology will not do anything. We should convert once a model. Each neuron. That's why in your model this we are calling as artificial. Therefore, in this one, the computational intelligence, the study of adaptive mechanisms to enable or facilitate intelligent, that is intelligent decision making, behavior in complex and changing environments based on mathematical models of biological systems. Then how we can model the biological neuron? We can see. Then in this one, the artificial intelligence, that is the machine learning and deep learning. You see the traditional program. Suppose I want to write a program in C. Computer is there. I want to write in C. C compiler also required. Data and program. What is the output? I will get the output. Suppose I want to convert degrees to Fahrenheit. A formula is there. How to convert degrees to degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. But in case of machine learning, what is happening is that you are giving what is machine learning. Okay, that is data and output we are giving. My output, what you are getting the program. Program is not like C, Java, it is not like that. Okay, you will get a linear regression. Okay, whether a model and linear model, that is y equal to x C, quadratic equation, quadratic model, non-linear equation, Ax B, C. That model will be not exact program. The preamble, you see, most of the time, not only your network facility and all that, most of the time, you use the soft computing techniques like evaluation algorithm for optimization. That is your generic algorithm, particle optimization. Whatever it may be, you see, man has learned much from studies of natural systems. Using what has been learned to develop new algorithmic models to solve complex problems. Everything that borrowing ideas from biology. How there are some algorithms are there. ABC, artificial people, how the bees are collected from animals. Okay? Ant colony, how the ants are moving in discrete way and they are storing the food. So what is happening? Is it not there for most of the time? These ideas are getting from biology and we are making use of our solving problems. And AI is a machine emulation of human thinking process. Artificial intelligence, just like what talking neural network or deep learning and all that, machine emulation human thinking. That is machine I want to make a human being. Okay. breathe in. Okay, just want to break. Yeah. Oh, 10 minutes.
Just try to get in by 350.
ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chemistry.
స్ట్రీమింగ్ అయిపోయిందండి
Aquaman.
హాస్పిటల్ కదా ఉన్నాయండి అయిందో తప్ప
Another chemistry.
ఉంచండి సార్ మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా తేడా వస్తుంది దొరుకుతారు
మళ్ళీ కొత్తలు పెట్టుకున్నాం. అది తెలిసి కొత్తలు పెట్టేసుకున్నాం.
ఏమో మరి ఆన్లైన్ వస్తున్నారు
రసోరియా
ఎండ్ స్ట్రీమింగ్ కొట్టారా
అకౌంట్ ఆప్షన్ దానికోసం క్లీన్ చేసి
సార్ ఎండ్ స్ట్రీమింగ్
ప్రస్తుతం పాజ్లోనే ఉంది.